Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about DeFi Lands. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of DeFi Land. You can access it by going to DefiLand.app. It is essentially a multi-chain agriculture simulation game that has been created by GAMIFY Decentralized Finance. This game would have all the features that any traditional platforms would have, but it will be all gathered in like one place. And the players in this game will be able to start playing this game for free, of course, and they can grind their way up to play to earn tier, compete with other people out there, craft, trade, and do so much more. They have aggregating different protocols which will be very useful in managing your DeFi assets in one section. They have a gamified experience, so they have redesigned the way of interacting with decentralized finance through their gamification. They also have NFTs, meaning user-owned in-game assets with different functionalities. It's a play-to-earn game, so achievement, task, union, crafting, fishing, collections, and many more ways would be available for you to earn income. This is the roadmap of the company. In the Q2 of last year, the concept was created, demo game was built, winning Solana hackathon happened, fundraising was also something that was focused on. In Q3, integration with Serum, Radium, testnet, devnet launch, public sale phase started, mainnet beta launch happened. In Q4, they integrated with Orca, Saber, Soul Farm. Public sale phase came to an end. Public launch of the game happened. Quest and achievements were also taken care of. NFT integrations happened, and there was assistance in farming and portfolio guide. In the Q1 of this year, DeFi Land NFT sale occurred. DFL single-sided staking, land customization, team challenges, swap aggregator integrations were some things taken care of. In the Q2, the focus was on play and earn beta, LP staking, leveling up, upgrades, NFT marketplace, renting, crafting, educational mode beta, governance, land NFT sale, multi-chain alpha, PvP alpha, betting features. In the Q3, the focus will be PvP launch, global map and metaverse beta will be launched, mobile and desktop alpha testing will take place, multi-chain lands launch would happen, team battles and turn-based games would happen, and DFL launchpad. In Q4, the focus will be on 20 game complete PvP, DFL grants, DFL universities, and mobile and desktop app launch. In terms of team members, we have DFL Erwin, who is the team lead, DFL Willie, we have DFL Floch, who is UI UX designer, Willie is the head of partnership, and so on. So that's a really good thing. So these are the people working behind the project. So we have various game developers, blockchain engineers, software engineers, UX UI designers. So these are some of the essentials when starting a gaming project to ensure its success. They have received investment from Gate.io, Transfero, Cairo Ventures, MXC, and all of these ventures out there. If you want to play the game, you can click play over here, and then you will come to this page where you're going to see a little game that's loading. Alright, so this is what our interface would look like. So we have Phantom, Soulflare Web, Solid. So you have to connect to this wallet, follow the prompts to enter and play the game. If you want to buy the token, you can click buy over here. You can buy it on Gate.io, FTX.com, Radium.io. So let's take a look at Gate.io for example. And over here, you're going to see the price of the token. So it's $0.0059. And you can buy it, you can create a platform. You can create an account at Gate.io, buy some cash, purchase DeFi Land in exchange of that. So that's a really good thing. If you want, you can also buy these in FTX and other platforms. They also have a staking tool, which is really great for you to earn money while playing the game. So over here, let's say you put the amount that you want to stake, and over here, based on that, you can see the APR that you have a potential to receive. So they have locked staking, where you lock your cryptos or the token for a certain period of time. You have flexible staking, where you can withdraw them anytime you want. And over here, you can see the total staked value, the total weight, the average stake amount, and all of the other important metrics. You can also see the total circulating supply of the DFL coin currently available and the market cap it has. This is the red rarity checker, which is a really great tool if you want to have more context about how it works. So DFL is a governance and staking currency which would have various use cases in this ecosystem. It will be the ruling currency which can be used in the game to earn and receive rewards. The DFL stakers will be also rewarded with priority access to whitelists based on the amount they have staked in the staking pool, and they can also earn the community NFTs out there. To ensure sustainability of the ecosystem, they have also introduced Goldie Dollar, which is a secondary currency that will be used for microtransaction and micro rewards, and this cryptocurrency is entirely community driven and it is only restricted to be used when distributing rewards among the players out there. In total, there will be these many tokens of DFL in existence. The initial circulating supply is mentioned over here, which is 5.86%. So 21% is kept for team and advisors, 1% will be for public sale, 41% is for game and staking rewards, 12.5% is for ecosystem, 2.5% is community incentive, 2% is liquidity, 20% is for sale. This game is completely free. All you have to do is connect your wallet, you can swap crypto tokens, you can manage your portfolio and learn everything you need to know about DeFi in a very fun and engaging manner in this game. This is the Twitter page of DeFi Land. Currently, they have a following of more than 100,000 people, which is very impressive. Yeah, I feel this game is quite impressive. The idea of integrating NFT, metaverse, and gaming together, create a system where you don't just play a game, but you earn money out of it is quite impressive. So check it out. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.